that, George? How about if the prosecutor came to you and said, listen, all right, you don't want the results that my examiner did. We'll agree to another one. Whatever the results are, they are, and we'll let it into evidence. Come on, George. You look at me like I'm nuts.
He does that anyway.
Lisa's right. Both the attorneys, the two attorneys in the courtroom have very different roles. Okay, and we obviously can't start a standard where a prosecutor can say, all right, let's submit to a polygraph examination. But Vinny, what's wrong with having an expert that both sides agree on, take this polygraph examination, submit it to the jury, and inform the jury, say, listen, this is the science behind a polygraph examination. This is how reliable it is. And take it as you will. Give it the due weight that you think it should be given. Just like any other expert witness. This is a circumstantial case. The prosecution is allowed to bring in all of this evidence, none of which is direct. Why not make this one more piece of that puzzle and let the jury decide to use it as they wish?
Because courts don't allow it. It's like if I was the prosecutor and I said, okay, you don't have to take my expert, we'll take a neutral expert we both agree upon. You're not going to do it, I'm not going to do it, and why should it be turned around? Why all of a sudden what's not good for the goose should be good for the gander? It just doesn't work that way. The courts have told us certain things are reliable, certain things are not, certain things are admissible, certain things are not. I'm not going to agree to it because I know in 99 out of 100 cases I'm not allowed to use it, and no defense attorney would want it in there. So why in this case should it be turned around against me? If it's reliable, it's reliable. If it's not, it's not. If it's admissible, it's admissible. If it's not, it's not. Bright line rule for me. That's the way I see it, black and white. No polygraphs in criminal cases for either side. George?
Oh, well, Vinny, respectfully, I'm going to have to disagree with you. Again, I know it may be slightly lost in our system, but you know, you're innocent until proven guilty. And whatever is necessary or allowed to prove, a defense attorney should be given every tool possible, and a defendant, for that matter, should be given every tool possible to prove their innocence or to disprove their guilt. The prosecution has a myriad ways of proving someone's guilt. They have the force of the government behind them.